Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use your Hisense AC Remote Control, and I'm also going to explain what every button does. So as you can see, this is the Hisense AC Remote that I have. So we are going to basically take a look at all of these functions one by one. So first of all, we have this type of power button, which is basically used in order to turn your air conditioner on and off. Afterwards, we have this type of mode button with the help of which you can switch between different types of modes. So on the Hisense AC, you are going to see the cool mode, the heat mode, then we have the dry mode, fan mode, and even the auto mode. Afterwards, we have the temperature up and the temperature down buttons. So as the name suggests, these are going to be the buttons that are basically used to increase or decrease the set temperature. Afterwards, we have the fan speed available. So these are the fan speed buttons which you can basically be used for choosing the auto, low, medium, high or turbo depending on your model. We also have the super button available on top of the remote. So this super button is basically used when you want the room to cool or heat as quickly as possible. Afterwards, we also have the smart button available. So the smart button is going to let the AC automatically choose the best mode, the fan speed and the temperature based on the room's conditions. You are also going to see this type of I feel button. So it is used to make the room act as a temperature sensor. This way the AC will cool or heat based on the temperature around the remote instead of the indoor unit. We also have the swing buttons available. So the swing buttons are basically used to basically do the airflow left and right. So we have the left and the right swing buttons available separately. Afterwards, in the bottom, you are going to see some of the other buttons, like we have the sleep button over here, which basically going to make the room more comfortable at night while reducing the energy usage. Then we have the clock button, which is basically going to use to set the current time on the remote. We have the timer on button and the timer off button, which you can basically use in order to set or schedule the AC to turn on or off the time automatically. Then we have the quiet button. It is going to basically reduce the noise that is coming from the fan of the AC. So that's how you can use it. We have the dimmer button available, which is going to turn the indoor unit display light on and off. And then we have the economy button available, which is going to save the energy by reducing the power consumption during the operation. So I have explained all of the buttons available on this remote. So that's how you can basically use it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.